Yes, student, today we are going to study the concept of have, has, had and will have. So the first one we have and has. First of all, we have a definition. The definition is that definition, the above structure is used for present property or ownership, or you can say that position. इट मीन्स ये जो अबाउट स्ट्रक्चर दिया हुआ है ये हमारे पास प्रेजेंट यानी मौजूदा जायदाद के लिए यूज होता है. सो देन वी हैव द उर्दू आइडेंटिफिकेशन ऑफ हैव एंड हैज व्हिच इज इन प्रेजेंट. सो द उर्दू आइडेंटिफिकेशन ऑफ हैव एंड हैज इज पास है. व्हेन द सेंटेंस एंड्स विद पास है, सो we can use have and has. Then we have the simple formula about the have and has. Subject plus have and has plus object plus full stop. So then we have three more examples. The first one is called positive sentence. Positive sentence we have I have a laptop. मेरे पास एक लैपटॉप है. पास है. So when a sentence ends with pass है, so we can use have and has. Then we have the negative sentence. Negative sentence I do not have a laptop. I do not have a laptop. मेरे पास एक लैपटॉप नहीं है. Then we have interrogative sentence. Do I have a laptop? क्या मेरे पास एक लैपटॉप है? So at the end we put a question mark. Remember that question mark is very necessary. For that's why we are using a question mark in interrogative sentence. We ask a question. So then we have had. Had is used for past property. Then we have the definition. The above structure is used for past property or ownership. जो हमारे पास ये above structure है वो past property के लिए और past ownership के लिए, मतलब जो माजी का जायदाद था उसी के लिए हमारे पास यूज होता है had. So then we have Urdu identification. Urdu identification pasta. When a sentence ends with pasta, so you can use had. First, then we have the simple formula. Simple formula about had. Subject plus had plus object plus full stop. So then we have three more examples. The first one is positive sentence. We have a positive sentence. She had a job. उसके पास एक job थी. उसके पास एक job थी. Then we have a negative sentence. She did not have a job. So had changed into have in negative sentence because two form of verb is two form of verb is not used in one sentence. The same forms. Then we have interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence we have did she have a job? क्या उसके पास एक job थी? So here we are asking a question. For that's why we use question mark at the end of a sentence. Then we have will have. Will have. Definition is about the will have. The above structure. The above structure is used for future property or future ownership. We have will have. Will have जो है वो हमारे पास मुस्तकबिल की जो जायदाद हमारे पास आ रहा है उसी के लिए हम will have यूज करते हैं. So we have the Urdu identification of will have. The Urdu identification of will have is पास रहेगा. पास रहेगा. So then we have simple formula. What is simple formula? Subject plus will have plus object plus full stop. Then we have three more examples. The first one is called positive sentence. Positive sentence we have he will have a car. उसके पास एक गाड़ी रहेगा. उसके पास एक गाड़ी रहेगा. So when a sentence ends with pass रहेगा, so you can use will have. Will have because it's future property or future ownership. Then we have a negative sentence. Negative sentence is what? He will not have a car. उसके पास एक गाड़ी नहीं रहेगी. उसके पास एक गाड़ी नहीं रहेगी. It give a negative sense. Then we have interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence we have will he have a car? At the end we put a question mark. Will he have a car? क्या उसके पास एक गाड़ी रहेगी? So उसके पास एक गाड़ी रहेगी. At the end we put a question mark because we are asking a question in interrogative sentence. When you have any question about have, has, had, or will have, so you may ask according to comment. Thank you for watching.